A few weeks ago, we made a pretty common mistake. We forgot to properly prepare this bed soil, but we went ahead and tossed some turnip seeds into it anyway. The seeds did germinate, so at first it felt like everything was fine, but as time passed, it became obvious something was off. The plants stayed small, the leaves didn't grow much, and the roots never developed the way turnips should. Clearly, the soil was lacking. Instead of pulling them out and trying to salvage a weak harvest, we decided to do something better. We're going to use this failed crop to rebuild the bed and turn it into a nutrient-rich space for spring planting. Since the turnips are still green, the first thing we do is chop them up right where they're growing. We don't remove them from the bed. We just cut the plants into small pieces so they break down faster. Once chopped, we spread that green material across the surface of the soil. This acts like a fresh green layer, which is important because it contains nitrogen. Nitrogen helps kickstart the breakdown process and feeds the microbes that do the real work in the soil. After that, we add more organic material on top. This includes chopped dry leaves and overripe vegetables and fruits from the kitchen. Anything that's past its eating stage but still organic can go in here. We make sure to chop everything into smaller pieces, so it doesn't sit there forever without breaking down. This layer adds both nutrients and bulk, and it helps improve soil structure over time. It also helps hold moisture, which is really important for healthy soil life. Next, we lightly sprinkle some wood ash that we collected from our garden bonfire. This is done carefully, we don't dump it on thick, just a light dusting is enough. Wood ash contains potassium and some trace minerals, which are useful for plant growth. It can also slightly raise the pH, so using it in moderation is key. In small amounts like this, it supports the soil rather than harming it. Once the ash is down, we cover everything with a layer of garden soil. This helps seal in the organic matter and keeps it from drying out. It also brings in native microorganisms from the garden that are already adapted to the environment. We spread the soil evenly and gently level it, making sure not to compact it too much. Air pockets are still important because they allow microbes to breathe and function properly. After leveling the soil, we sprinkle neem cake on top. Neem cake is a great addition because it slowly releases nutrients as it breaks down. It also helps reduce soil pests and unwanted insects. This is especially useful when you're rebuilding a bed because it creates a healthier balance underground before new plants go in. We don't need a thick layer here either, just an even sprinkle across the surface. Now comes one of the most important steps. We add a layer of compost on top of everything. This compost is full of beneficial bacteria and fungi. These microbes are what actually break down the chopped plants, leaves, and kitchen scraps underneath. Think of compost as the starter culture that activates the whole system. It also adds humus, which improves soil texture and helps the soil hold nutrients and water more effectively. Once all the layers are in place, we give the bed a really good watering. The goal is to moisten everything, not flood it. Moisture is essential because decomposition doesn't happen in dry conditions. Water helps the layers settle together and wakes up microbial activity. Over the next few days, the materials underneath will begin to soften, collapse, and slowly turn into usable nutrients. After watering, we leave the bed alone. We wait about 10 days before planting anything. This resting period allows the internal layers to start breaking down and prevents young plants from being stressed by fresh decomposition happening too close to their roots. By the time we're ready to plant for spring, this bed will be completely different from what it was before. What started as a weak, underfed crop will have been recycled into rich, living soil, ready to support strong and healthy plants.